Do you want to sell your home faster and for more money? Yeah. Well, that starts with curb appeal, and that video is coming right up. Hey, welcome. I'm glad you're back. If this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is Andy Elliott. I work with DeSelms Real Estate in Williamson County, Tennessee, and we serve the Nashville area. Remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified of new videos as they come along. Now let's get started on curb appeal. It's true we only have one chance at a first impression, and when you're selling your home, curb appeal is it. And the good news is doing the work for curb appeal doesn't have to be expensive. So let's go through the steps to make your home irresistible to enter. First, here's a few examples of the opposite of curb appeal. These homes offer no incentive to make you want to go inside. Buyers are usually excited about the buying process, but when a buyer pulls up in front of an overgrown lawn or an oil-soaked driveway or mildew growing up the side of their dream home, it kind of kills their enthusiasm. It's like going car shopping and finding the cars covered in mud. It can be discouraging. And competition these days is stiff, so we got to come to the game ready to play. So let's get your buyers excited about coming into your home. Step 1, power washing. This step is commonly overlooked, and some people think it's overkill. It's really not. There are a few things that more negatively affect the curb appeal of a home than mildew on the siding. Big patches of green fuzz growing up the side. That can be a major problem. It's so common to see where a seller has cleaned part of the house because that's as far as they could reach, and the rest of it is green as grass. Nothing highlights mildew more than that, so don't do that. Hire somebody. Power washing the siding, the driveway, and sidewalks if needed is huge. It takes your home from looking rough to darling fast. Also, if you can seal the driveway, awesome. It'll take your home to the next level. Number 2, painting. Siding, trim, windows, porches, handrails, all of that needs to be crisply painted. And if you have peeling paint, just fix that. Depending on how bad the paint job is, it can get spendy. But if you just have peeling paint here and there and the general condition is okay, just fix those areas. Here's the deal. If the actual cost to get your paint up to snuff is $1,000, if you don't do that, when a buyer comes and brings an offer, he's going to try to triple that off your price. A power washed home with a crisp paint job is almost irresistible. And finally, step number 3, a beautiful lawn. Nothing makes a house pop more than a killer yard. Seriously. And the time to get started on that is months in advance. Seed, weed, aerate, water like crazy to get your yard in top shape. Trim the hedges, trim the trees, mulch the flower beds, edge of the walkways, plant some colorful flowers. Make the walk from the driveway to the house an event in itself for your buyer. If you'll do these few things, you are halfway to sold. Hey, I hope this short video on curb appeal was helpful for you. If you'll trust me on this, you're going to find that your home sale is going to go a lot smoother and a lot faster maybe than you expect. Remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified of videos as they come along. Comment below if you have a question and give me a like. Talk to you soon.